or I had to change the battery. We're going to be using it, and I'm going to go ahead. Like I say, y'all going to be on a journey. The goal weight is 250. As I always say, it's going to be 250. So let's go to the big board like I do about this time. If you still made it this far in the video, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment below. Give me 1 second. Let's get set up. Alright, hopefully everybody can see the board. We're going to start off. Intermittent fasting. That means not eating no food for a certain amount of time. Not eating food for about 12 hours. You may do 16. You may do 20. You may do 24-hour fast. You may do a weekend fast. So we're going to break it down. Intermittent fasting. No food for a certain amount of time. For beginners, I suggest you do 12 and 12, right? 6 to 6, 8 to 8, 7 to 7, and you fast when the sun go down. So say the sun comes up around 6, it goes down around 6, you stop eating around 6 p.m. Me, on the other hand, I always do the 16-8. I do 16-8, I start eating around 5, I could take it all the way to 1 o'clock. Alright? Or I could do like a shift, like a work shift. Say if you work 3 to 11, 11 to 7, 7 to 3. Pick 2 shifts when you don't eat, 1 shift when you eat. The reason I do the 8 to 1, because sometimes I don't even do the whole 8 hours. I might fast for 6, I might fast for 4, who knows. But the 8 to 1 give me an opportunity to, if I get late night hungry, I can go ahead and eat. Or if you do the 24, that's extreme. I mean, for 20 hours you don't eat, 4 hours you eat, that's basically 1 meal a day. All your whole meal got to come in within that day. Alright? Or you could do the days. 5 days, eat normal, weekends you don't eat. You could do a 24-hour fast. 1 day a week, you could pick a day. It could be a Wednesday. I mean, you fast for 24 hours, you don't eat nothing at all. Now, what you can do, you can drink. So it's a list of things you can take. You can take your supplements, as long as they don't have no kind of calories or sugar. So I don't know what kind of creatine you could take, BCAAs you could take, I think glutamine you could take, your man one a days you could take. But most of the time you kind of want to take your vitamins during your feeding period for it to actually get into the cells and get into the blood and do what it got to do. But you can take your supplements. Tea, coffee, no sugar. Whatever how you spell it. No sugar, no sweeteners, no nothing. Seltzer water. As long as it got 0 calories, no artificial flavors, you can do seltzer water. All these got it for you. Lemon water. You can do lemon water, which is now on the list. Lemon water is good for you. Let me put that on the list. Y'all can take a screenshot of this. That's my go-to lemon water. Bone broth. 0 calories. You can take the bone broth. Drink it by itself. It's actually good for you. Got a lot of protein in it. So you can do the bone broth. Now, everybody want to know, what do intermittent fasting do for you? Thanks for asking that question. It helps with the fat burning process. So after a while, say you fast for 8 hours, or say you fast for 13, 14, your body goes into survival mode. It's fighting. So survival mode, it goes to your reserve fat. It starts with that. You eat out that fat. If all the fat gone, maybe it gets a little bit of your muscle. So you don't have to worry about losing too much muscle while you're fasting. It repairs the cells inside your body. If you could flip yourself inside out and see what goes on in your body, you would lose your mind. And we could talk about that in another video. Insulin levels drop. We'll do another video about insulin levels. Alright? Always check with your doctor if you got a doctor. I've been fasting for many years off and on. But this time I'm really just going to make it a lifestyle. So you can check with your doctor if you've never done it before. Now, as far as working out, during your fasting periods, yes, you may feel a little bit weak in the beginning, especially if you're lifting hard. You just gotta let your body get a time to adjust to the new schedule you put onto your body. So what I suggest, during your fasting period, try to get your cardio out the way. That's just what I do. It's a formula different for everybody. Get your fasting out the way. Get your cardio out the way. Hit training, boom, boom, boom. Nothing lifted heavy. During your eating period, work out as normal. Lift the weights. Get your meal in. Lift the weights. Refuel with protein. Boom. Rinse, cycle, repeat. That's just my formula. It might be different for yours. It all depends on what your goals are. Me, my goal is more like weight loss, so I'm trying to lose a little fat. So mine will be basically cardio during my fasting period. I will lift during my eating periods. And don't forget, you don't got to work out every day. Have that rest period. Alright? So listen. Intermittent fasting. We're going to break it down. Eat no food for a certain time period. 12, 12, 16, 8, 20, 24. 20, 24. 24 hours. Here we go. Days. You do the days. Eat Monday through Friday. Eat normal. Weekends, fast. Might be not ideal for everybody, but if you really want to reach your goal, you got to give up that partying, you got to give up that drinking, you got to give up that fast food, and you got to get on this fasting journey and start getting that body moving. Or you just do a 24-hour, a certain day out the week. Supplements, tea, coffee, 0 calories, bone broth, lemon water. Basic stuff that you can easily get. Alright? Hey, listen, it's your boy Big Jolly. Subscribe to the channel. We'll be doing more and more videos like this. We're going to talk about insulin levels in one of my videos, repair cells, fat burning, and we're going to really deep dive in intermittent fasting. It's just the basics right now. Alright, peace. Alright, thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. A certified, ISSA certified trainer. But I had to fall back. Got to get myself back together before I can help anybody. But anything I say in these videos, if it's helping you, comment below, like below. All donation accepted. It's Big Jolly TV, Cash App. Appreciate all the love, Venmo, and until next time, peace.